Here are some family Halloween costume ideas if you need some for this Halloween. You guys know Halloween is my favorite and I love dressing up. So I'm going to share some of our past Halloween costumes for some inspiration. This was one of our first costumes. The boys were Carl and Russell and I was the Up House. And lucky for you, I have full tutorials on all of these costumes on my blog post. So just comment link below if you want to know how to make any of these. Another fun and easy idea is Finding Nemo. I was Darla. The boys, you can just add all the fishes in. It's so cute. Another super easy idea is Game of Thrones. I was the Mother of Dragons and I just put the boys in their little dragon costumes. I love this picture. Nightmare Before Christmas is the best. Like, you have to do this at least 1 year for Halloween. I absolutely loved this costume. Is probably like my favorite. I DIY'd the Oogie Boogie costume. Obviously I have a full blog post on that. But it just turned out so good. The Nightmare Before Christmas is also great because there's so many characters in the movie. So if you have a big family, there's a character for everyone. I love going old school Disney with Chip 'n Dale Rescue Rangers. This was so fun because my boys love Chip 'n Dale. They also have more characters. So if you have like more family members, you can totally do a Chip 'n Dale Rescue Ranger theme. Another family themed costume is pirates. We went Pirates of the Caribbean. I did Elizabeth Swann. This was for the Oogie Boogie Bash. Any guesses of what I'm going to be doing this year?